outfit. So I look today, done my hair, I'm wearing a dress. These are my new headphones, noise cancelling headphones. So this is me throwing coats in the charity bin. So I've got these headphones. They twist around and fold in. These are noise cancelling headphones by Soundcore. I got them for 40 quid, that's including delivery. So yeah, they are high quality, hyper sensitive to noise, based, 40 hours playtime, extra soft ear things, fold, and can have an aux cord. So these are my new headphones that I am very much enjoying, and it does block off sound, so that's amazing. Just turn these off now. Go. And then this is another package I've got, so open it. This is a 1950s nail set. Well, I guess he's doing her nails later. Oh shit. for a break, have my LBT and a cup of tea, and I have baby bell with cheese. I'm sat watching Thomas Sanders, or also known as Sandersides. I'm watching the bloopers, which I enjoying my sandwich, and that's what I'm watching it on my laptop. Very nice vintage chair, so it's very nice to sit down and have a cup of tea, enjoy before I go back into cleaning. So yeah, what's your favorite sandwich? This is my adult autism diagnosis. I'm doing a game. So here we go, and subscribe guys, subscribe.